Hi, today I have a quick fire tutorial for you showing you how to use some of our watercolour images from our neutral collection pack. So here are all the images that are included in the set, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is just to drag and drop them. So I have pre-made a business card template over here, and I'm just going to drag and drop some images. So I'm using the PNG files as they have transparent background to them, and I'm just going to drag and place them around my canvas. I'm going to try this other one, warm tone 15. And again, you can just resize them. And they have really gentle edges to them so that they can blur and blend seamlessly together. And you can also mix in some cool tones as well. And I'm just going to add a background colour, a soft browny kind of colour. And there we have it. So just to show you some ideas, we include brushes as well, so you can change colours. And basically the possibilities are endless. So hope you have some fun.